Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Everybody, please open your cameras. Very good, Om. What about others? Hurry up. Hurry up and open your cameras. Yes.
Bonjour, madam.
Yes. I will not start the class till you will not open your camera.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is a person with weird name.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who is this
Yes,
person
ma'am.
with this weird name? Let me just remove him. Whosoever it is, I don't care. Why has he entered with this name? Okay, removed. Now, what about you guys? Kripansh, Daksh, Ahmad, will you please open your cameras? This is class 8th A, 8th B all combined, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, children, till our last class, we had done the chapter with the first exercise, isn't it? I think the last two of the first exercise were left. The last two fill-ups.
Ma'am, please send the photo of French book.
Okay, one of you sent it, no? The PDF of this book, or sorry, of this chapter. Who sent it? Let me just see in my list if it is there. No. Okay, who has the book? Tell me. One of you please make a PDF of this chapter and hurry up and send on the class group.
Okay,
Om,
ma'am,
beta,
I
you
am
have your
sending.
book?
Ma'am, I have my book, but you have sent the PDF, so I am having that.
Okay, so forward the PDF only. I am not finding it here.
But ma'am, I am on 8th B, and I think that the child who has asked, he is of 8th A.
Okay, you send it on 8th B. I'll take it from there and forward it. You send it on 8th B.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, why is it taking so long?
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I forward? I have found a PDF.
Yes, beta, you send.
Ma'am, send on 8B group.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, this is, but beta, why have you solved these exercises? We have still not done them.
Ma'am, it's not of mine. Somebody has sent
Okay, somebody
already
has
in earlier.
Okay, now 8th A, 8th B, both the classes, you have the PDFs. Starting with the chapter with a little revision. Now I will write a few sentences in the chat box and you have to tell me what they are in English. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Prepared? Okay, the first one is in the chat box. Each one of you will speak it out. Don't write it in the chat box. Just tell me what it means. Le pied est fort.
Ma'am, we have to speak it.
Yes, you have to speak and tell what it is.
PA force.
What is le pied? Le pied is what? Which body part? Quelle partie du corps?
Ma'am, foot.
Yes. Now, what do I mean? What do I want to say when I say le pied est fort? All of you open your cameras first of all. What is the meaning of F-O-R-T? Fort. We have done in this chapter. Le pied est fort.
Ma'am,
F.
can I close my camera because ma'am the PDF is on ma'am WhatsApp.
No,
Ma'am,
but
so when
right now, do you need the PDF? You need the PDF right now?
no.
Then I have already told you what a pied is. Le pied est fort. What is it? F-O-R-T. F-O-R-T means strong. Now see,
Ma'am,
no one remembers. No one remembers in both the
Ma'am,
sections.
the foot is strong.
Yes, the foot is strong. Now write down this sentence as it is in your copies. Write it from the chat box and then write down what it means.
Different shapes. Different shapes.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next sentence. All of you open your cameras. Les bras sont courts. Everybody open your camera. Which body part is les bras? And what is the meaning of court?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, tell Rancher.
Ma'am, I only heard when you said les bras, ma'am. Les bras, ma'am. It means that the arm, the
Arms. Yes, very good. The arms. Now, when I
ma'am,
say
after that you said something I couldn't hear.
okay, sont court. Sont. I'm talking about two arms. The arms sont court. Now what is C-O-U-R-T? Court.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Court again, it is an adjective that we have studied in this chapter only. Yes, Om.
Ma'am, the arm are short.
Very
Arm
nice
or
is there.
hand.
The arms are short. Write it down. The French and English version both. Now let me see who can tell this one. Sa tête est très grosse. Sa tête est très grosse. What is tête? Which body part is tête?
Ma'am, can you spell out it?
Yes?
Ma'am, can you just spell it?
T-E-T-E. Tête. T-E-T-E. Okay, children, do one thing to remember these
Ma'am,
body
it is
parts
head.
because, yes?
Ma'am, the head of
Ma'am,
our
head.
No. The head is tête and the forehead is le front. Le front.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm talking about the head. Sa tête est très grosse. Very nice. Now what does it mean? Oh, I have, wait. Look into the chat box, everyone. Sa tête est très grosse. Now what do I mean when I say sa tête? It's not la tête, it's sa tête. What does sa stand for?
Ma'am, the
No. What is the, beta? The is la, no? La, le stand for the. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Son, sa, se. Now you remember what is son, sa, se?
Her.
Very nice. Her or his. We are talking about head. Head is feminine gender. That is why we are placing sa before it. It can be his head also. It can be her head also. Her head is very big. Sa tête est très grosse. Now do one thing, children, all of you. To remember these body parts, you are not going to remember it like this. Make these figures like how you make in science. You make a diagram, just the shape of the body from head to toe, and name everything like that. Label it. And you have to send it on the class group. I'm going to check both the class groups. Start doing this work. Is it clear to all of you?
yes, ma'am, clear.
Start doing it
Ma'am,
right
we have
now,
to
and
make a
then
diagram.
you have
Yes, ma'am,
5 minutes to do this work. It is not going to take very long because I don't want your diagram to be very perfect. Okay? Just to give you an idea, just to do it by hand, do it. You have 5 minutes to make both these. The boy and the girl. Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to make? I left the meeting by mistake.
Beta, you have to make a diagram, a body shape, a rough figure wherein you can label each body part. Like how it is made in the book on page number 15. A boy is made and his body parts are labeled. A girl is made and so is done with her. So similarly, you have to do it in your French copies, fair copies. Do
Okay,
it
ma'am.
and share it on the class group. I'm waiting for you to share the work.
Ma'am, I have
Done, children? I cannot see even a single picture till now.
Ma'am, doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, doing.
Children, done? Children, have you done or not?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Beta, how can you say, how will it take so long, huh? Such an easy thing. You want to waste the whole class in this little work, huh? Little piece of work, which actually is nothing. Ransher, have you done?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Uzair Khan, Akshat Chandra, Dhruv Kumar.
Ma'am, I
Show me
have
how
done
much
the
you've done.
boy.
Open your
Only
cameras and
half
just
girl
bring your
is
work
left.
close to the camera. Show me how much you have done. Open your cameras. I want to see what you people are doing. Uzair Khan, open your camera. Akshat,
Ma'am, I have done the boy.
show it to me on the camera. Open your camera, all of you, and show me what you have done. Just drawn this figure in these last 15 minutes. Yes, Avnesh, good. What about others? Done nothing, no? Akshat Chandra, Aradhya Singh. Sorry, Aradhya. Who is this Aradhya? Dhruv Bhojwani, Dhruv Kumar. Children, if you don't send me the work today, I'm really going to complain to your class teacher and also to Smriti ma'am.
Ma'am, I will post the
No, I
work.
want to see the work before the class gets over. When I have given you something to do, you are supposed to do it there and then only. You can't linger it on till the next class. I want to see the work today itself, otherwise your names will be given to Smriti ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to draw the diagram of the dog of the manual also.
Dog. Beta, you have to draw a girl image and a boy image, and you have to label it like how it is done in the book.
And ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, I had one more doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the the question number 5. Ma'am, the manual's dog. We have to write about manual's dog. But there's
No,
nothing
beta, you
written.
don't have to write anything. You only have to draw these diagrams and label them.
Okay, ma'am.
Only Avni has sent me the work. No one else has.
Ma'am, I have sent on 8B group.
You have sent. Let me just check.
Ma'am,
Yes,
right now.
Avnish Singh. Very nice. Very good work, Avnish. You've
Thank you,
completed it.
ma'am.